Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about the new innovation challenge being organized in the My Government Innovation page. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021 #PPC 2021. It lets the teachers, parents and students to participate and interact with the virtual meeting with Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. So the interaction every youngster is waiting for his bag. Pariksha Pe Charcha with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is coming soon. Leave your stress and nervousness behind and get ready to see those butterflies in your stomach free. So on popular demand this time, the Prime Minister's massively popular interaction will not have any students but also parents and teachers. So parents, teachers and students can participate with the virtual meeting with Honorable Prime Ministers. They can ask questions about related exams or related anything like related education of India. So #exam warriors. Let us see like how to participate in this innovation challenge. First, you have to win in this innovation challenge. Then you will be shortlisted. If you win in this challenge, then you will be like you can get the opportunity to meet our Honorable Prime Minister. So the themes for there are themes given for each students as well as parents and teachers. So there are separate themes for three categories. So let us see the themes for students. So exams or like the heading is exams or like festivals, celebrate them. Activity. So draw a scene depicting a festival around your favorite subject. Like you use your imagination and your favorite subject may be mathematics or science, chemistry or physics or in any subjects, and using that subject like you should draw upload paint in a JPG or PDF format. Maximum file is allowed as 4 MB. So we'll be explaining it later. So mark these markings either in JPG or PDF format. So on the size is 4 MB. So you have to draw a scene depicting a festival around your favorite subject. Just use your imagination. So second activity is India is incredible, travel and explore. So the activity is imagine your friends visits your city for 3 days. So what memories could you create for him or her in each of the following categories? Places to see, food to relish, experiences to remember. So in these three categories, not more than 500 characters, which is not more than 500 words. Like you can describe it about as a paragraph. If your friends visit to your city, so what are the things they can note or they can see special in your city? Like the places, you can choose anyone, the places or the food or experiences they get. So experience, if in means of experience, you can just explain it in not more than 500 words. So let us see the next activity. So as one journey ends, another begins. Activity, describe the most memorable experiences of your school life in not more than 1,500 words. So there are many experiences of each of our school life. There are many incidents happen and there are many happy moments and there are many challenging moments. So you can explain that as a paragraph and submit it as a PDF. I will save the maximum file or details in the description. You can check. Journey ends, another begins. So let us see about next activity. Aspire not to be but to do. So activity, if there was no restriction on resources or opportunities, what would you do for society? Why? Submit a write-up in not more than 1,500 words. So as answering for this question, you have to write a write-up. It means essay, like paragraph always in essay or in essay type. Write-up not more than 1,500 characters. So if there was no restriction on resources or opportunities, what would you do for society and why? So there will be more ideas. So put up your ideas and write up. So next is be grateful. Write gratitude cards for those whom you are grateful to in not more than 500 characters. So you know about the grateful cards or greeting cards, like so those cards, like you can prepare those cards digitally or like you should prepare physically and you can convert it to a digital card and you can just submit it in the My Government Innovation page. So next is you can submit a question of your choice to dealing with the examination stress that you would like to ask to the Prime Minister in not more than 500 characters. So you can write your question briefly to Honorable Prime Minister. So you will get a chance. Maybe you will get a chance to be your question framed before the Prime Minister. So for parents, the next category is for parents. So for parents, your words make your child's world, encourage and as you will have them. So write a story about the vision you share with the your child for his or your future. Let your child write the first sentence, so then you write the next and so on. So it means that your child has to write the first sentence, so just leave them to write the first sentence or think. Let them start the story and you just continue that with not more than 1500 words. So next activity for parents is be your child's friend, keep depression away. So write a postcard to your child and let him or her know why they are special. So just a postcard as your wish of your children's, as the wish of your children. So participate in both activities, do these both activities. And online education system. So for teachers, the first activity is online education system, its benefits and how it can be improved further. So only one activity they have given. Just you can write your thoughts and your thinkings, imaginations, and your thoughts. Write your thoughts and observations about the online education system. So its benefits and how it can be improved further in the future. So submit a creative write-up on the topic in about 1500 words. So everything they have restricted, the write-ups they have restricted within 1500 words. So let us see the guidelines for students. So you have guidelines for the competition. So participation is open to students of classes 9, 10, 11 and 12. So only these 4 classes can participate, unfortunately. So next you can participate in the contest by first registering on the MyGovernment platform. So if you are new to the MyGovernment platform, I inform you in every video you have to go register. Somebody may ask how to register. So I will just explain you in the comments if you have any doubts in registering your new account if you are new to MyGovernment. If you are already registered, you can just even click login and log in to participate in this competition. Students can participate in only one theme specified for them, so they can participate in any one theme. If you are participating in writing a letter to Prime Minister, then you can't participate in any of describing about your school experience. You can't participate in that. So students do not exceed the word limit mentioned for each activity. Not only students, teachers and parents should not exceed the word limit. So students should submit responses that are original, creative and simple. So they should submit their responses original, creative, original. It means that you should be the writer or designer who have made that project or made that entry. So it should be creative and simple. The questions to Prime Minister should not exceed 500 characters. So upon successful submission of entries, all students shall receive a digital certificate of participation that they may download and share on social media. So you will receive an e-certificate. For every student there will be an e-certificate if you submit. And you can also download and you may even share on your social media handles like #PPC2021. So for OTP, students may use their parents or teachers mobile numbers. So if you can use the parents and teachers mobile numbers for OTP. If you have not own a separate mobile phone, you can use your parents or teachers. So next to that, so your entry should not contain any provocative or corruptive things or liability. You should not over upon the Copyright Act, and all the entries submitted by the contestants can be used by MyGovernment and MyGovernment on social media or website. So let us see the participants of students through teacher login. So some students may even not have the facility of using Android. So those students, they will not have any smartphone. So those students, they can participate through teacher, may be selected with teachers to log in and enable the students. So their email ID or mail number and everything. So you can share this information with your teachers or parents. So guidelines for parents and teachers. It's just same as students. Parents and teachers do not exceed the word limit. Everything is same actually. Only the parents and teachers can participate in only one entry. So parents submit only original answers in their own words. They should not submit any wrong information. So important dates. Nothing important dates. It's just open from 18th February to 14th March. It's the time period for the submission of your entries. Submit before 14th March 2021. I hope so. This information about the innovation challenge helps you. This innovation challenge is a pathway to communicate to participate in the virtual meeting with Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. So it is an opportunity for students. Use this opportunity. Share this valuable information with your friends. Like this video if you like. There's little synopsis about this competition. You can read this if you wish. You can read this. If you have any doubts regarding this competition or any other competition conducted in my government, you can post your doubts in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Before that, subscribe to our channel. For many videos are coming out, many valuable information videos are coming out. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. We'll see you in next video. Thank you friends. Thank you.